Imagine a world where the sun never rises, where endless night is the only reality. No warming rays, no vibrant colors, just an unending, crushing darkness stretching to the horizon. We often take our familiar star for granted, that glowing orb that sustains all life. But what if that powerful, life-giving sun was suddenly replaced by something far more enigmatic, far more mysterious, and utterly devoid of light? What if Earth orbited a black hole instead of the sun? The change would be instantaneous and apocalyptic. The moment our star vanished, replaced by a black hole, even one precisely positioned to maintain our orbit, Earth would be plunged into absolute, unyielding darkness. Forget twilight or a slow fade, this would be instant, total night across the entire globe. Forever. Without the sun's constant warming energy, temperatures would plummet at an alarming rate. Within a mere matter of weeks, our planet's average global temperature would freefall from a comfortable 59 degrees Fahrenheit to an unimaginable minus 270 degrees Fahrenheit. That's just a few degrees above absolute zero, a cold that would render molecular motion almost to a standstill. This profound, unprecedented cold would trigger a devastating cascade of destruction across the planet. Photosynthesis, the very foundation of nearly all life on Earth, would cease instantly. Every plant, every tree, every blade of grass would wither and die, starving the planet of oxygen and vital food sources in short order. Our vast oceans, once teeming with diverse life, would begin to freeze solid from the surface down, forming immense crushing ice sheets that would obliterate marine ecosystems. Even our atmosphere, unprotected and unwarmed by sunlight, would gradually freeze and precipitate onto the surface, forming thick layers of solid nitrogen and oxygen. The very air we breathe would literally solidify and fall to Earth, leaving a desolate, suffocating vacuum where our protective blanket once was. The surface of Earth would become a silent, barren, and utterly frozen wasteland. Survival would demand an extreme and desperate retreat. The only possible sanctuaries for any remaining life would be deep beneath the Earth's surface, far from the frozen exterior, near active geothermal vents and pockets of volcanic activity. Here, life might cling on, not through sunlight, but through chemosynthesis, organisms deriving energy from chemical reactions. Humanity, if any could possibly survive the initial cataclysm, would be reduced to a few isolated subterranean